This tiny animal secretly runs the forest. Squirrels can leap 10 times their body length, basically parkour pros. They bury thousands of nuts and forget some on purpose. Those forgotten nuts, they grow into trees. Yes, squirrels plant forests. But life is risky. Hawks, foxes, snakes, danger is everywhere. That fluffy tail, it's a blanket, a balance tool, and a warning signal. They don't hibernate, just snack strategically all winter. So next time you see one, remember, small squirrel, big ecosystem. Follow for more wild animal facts.